I will never ignore a hiccup again after learning this. Ready to find out why? So what's the deal with hiccups? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, that muscle below your lungs, suddenly contracts. This rapid movement causes you to suck in air quickly, which then makes your vocal cords snap shut, creating that hic sound. It's kind of like your body's way of playing a quirky drum solo. But why does this happen? Well, it could be from eating too fast, drinking carbonated beverages, or even getting a sudden scare. Your body's got a funny way of reacting to these little surprises. While hiccups are usually harmless and go away on their own, they can be super annoying. Some folks swear by holding their breath or drinking water upside down to get rid of them. Got a hiccup trick that works for you? Share it in the comments. And let me know what science topic you'd like to explore next. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Thank you for watching.